Stark Future, we work with the best riders and the best partners in the world to test and verify every aspect of our designs. We calculate everything to precise detail using computational models during our design process. We then carry out hundreds of physical tests on each component of the bike in the most extreme conditions in order to understand performance at all times. This was the process implemented as we built the world's lightest motocross frame with optimal strength and flex characteristics for the Stark VARG.